So first I have ordered this from the Amazon. People often get confused about which juicer is the best, and we always prefer the branded one. In this video, I want to show you something about the Moulinex juicer if you are trying to buy the Moulinex. Here you will get the reviews and the demonstration within 2 minutes. So make sure to watch the video from start to finish to get the complete understanding. So its packaging has been done very well, and here is the beautifully designed Moulinex juicer. It's portable, so you can easily adjust it anywhere in the kitchen where you want to put this. Approx the handspan measurements. Actually, we have many more kitchen appliances plus small kitchen gadgets and I think there is no sufficient space to keep the appliances, so always we prefer to keep the portable appliances. Many times it happens that we spend a lot of money to buy something and it does not work well accordingly to our expectations. So it's better to first watch a review before using the product and then make a purchase decision. So here are the 3 buttons with the pulse button to speed up and slow down the speed level. Here is the rubber has been provided, which will prevent the juicer from moving while extracting the juice. I like this most in this juicer. Actually, it will grip your juicer, the surface where you are putting your juicer. These are the blades that catch the fruit and then extract the juice. So here I have some fruits and vegetables, some soft fruits and some hard vegetables. I will show you how it works. Here I feel like the pusher of the juicer requires a slightly harder press compared to the other juicers. So to be honest, the other product of the Moulinex are quite good, but this particular model is suitable only for juicing soft fruits like orange juice. You can do with this, because whenever I tried to juice with the hard fruits, all the fruits, the sieve of the juicer cut into in the small pieces and all the pieces fell into the basket. So I'm giving 3 stars for this juicer because it's not working well with the hard fruits and the vegetables. But Moulinex, this model is good for the orange juice. So guys, if you like my video, if you think this is beneficial for you, this channel is beneficial for you, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like the video. And if you have any other question, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'll answer you.